Well. Good afternoon, Kryptonians. It's Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And if you are a member of this channel, you might have had a chance to see our Mina coin video from yesterday. And I went into a tirade about how I believe that this particular coin, because it has the privacy and security features that they're trying to implement on Bitcoin, and the fact that it already has smart contracts capability, I think it is well positioned to explode and could go up 2x/3x once people realize what it is. And you know, I want to tell you, we pull no punches on this channel. I'm trying to give you information that is timely and could put some money in your pocket. And you're going to see that once again today. Look at this. This is yesterday, folks. This is the website yesterday. This is a clip from one of our videos here that we did yesterday. It says, build on Mina with ZK apps, smart contracts powered by zero knowledge proofs. The SDK based on TypeScript will be available soon. Check this out. Here we are today, the very next day, folks. This is the website. Mina makes it simple. Get started. They have changed the front page. It's not. They're not. They have a get notified button up here, but this is a total change. They don't even need that up there because they said it was coming soon. I didn't know it they meant tomorrow. Okay, they freaking have released the what I was waiting on. Look at this. Run a node, build on Mina, join the community. Folks, this is explosive. If people understand what they're looking at, you are looking at ZK apps exposed for developers to start using their native skill set in JavaScript and TypeScript to actually produce the next great set of applications on cutting edge technology that affords everyone the privacy that they deserve when they conduct transactions on the blockchain. I cannot stress enough, Bitcoin is trying to do this with the Lightning Network. I don't think Zcash has smart contracts. Look, this is all of it. This is it all together. Smart contracts, the language exposed for the developers, and blockchain technology. And let's look at Get Started. Before they were saying it was coming soon. If we go to Get Started, look at this. Here it is. This is what I was waiting for. Mina documentation. If you're interested in getting nerdy, I'm going to go ahead and announce right here that we are going to probably consider doing a series on this. I need to know if there's any of my particular subscribers who want to see the nerdy side of Mina and understand more in depth why this is such an explosive announcement. Please leave your comments in the comment section. But a brief overview of what we would cover in that set of videos, we would literally go through all of this from the overview of what Mina is and work our way all the way through the documentation and look even at not just using Mina and all of that. Look at this. It's going into excruciating detail here. Sending a payment, staking and snarking, CLI. We would literally go through this, even the developer piece. And oh my goodness, this is just like, oh my goodness, this is like Christmas in April. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, they're showing you how the developers are going to be able to take advantage of their protocol and create the next version of apps. Look at this. Here's the client SDK. The client SDK, and there's the JavaScript as promised. The Mina client JavaScript allows the generation of key pairs, signing and verifying messages and signing transactions that can be broadcast to the network. This is what I've been waiting for. If you are interested on taking the journey with me, this is new. It's new to me. JavaScript is not new to me. I am a developer, so this is something that, of course, would be of interest to me, but it is still, in fact, new to me. If you are interested in taking this journey, please leave a comment in the comment section. As I learn, you can learn. Imagine that. You will be on the cutting, bleeding edge of what I think may be potentially the most explosive blockchain crypto technology released and exposed for developer access in the year 2022. When you say new, this is freaking new. As in April 9th, 2022, they just opened up the architecture for everybody to get a whiff. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and get ready for the fireworks, folks, because it's going to be something serious. I'll catch you on the next one.